She was the ultimate comfort food when sick.
Legend has it that Mahatma Gandhi, though a vegetarian, would eat chicken soup whenever he felt under the weather.
Can you believe that Americans consume over 10 billion bowls of soup every single year? That's a lot of soup. When was the earliest evidence of our ancestors eating soup?
Aha! About 6000 BC. And guess what kind of soup it was?
I don't know.
Hippopotamus!
Ew! It's Grandma's chicken soup time, yes, the cure of all cold cures. And guess what? It tastes good. This nutrition soup is power-packed with a lot of antioxidants and immune boosters that will pound any flu bug into submission. Hi-ya! So what are you all waiting for?